Today is a travel day. Start the intro. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Love Sundays.
Today.
Thanks for that, Kate. Today we're heading to Teignmouth to see some friends. Now normally we would go up the night before, spend the whole day with them and then come back the following day. But because it's 2020, just because it's 2020, I'm going to go up and see them. I'm going to head back on the same day. I'm wearing shorts and flip-flops. When we left the house it was really nice and sunny. Whereas now it's overcast, there's a lot of thick black clouds, so fingers crossed the weather stays fine.
I know that you know I saw it. Your words like little knives. Part of me thought you would have fought it. Say that I was surprised. Oh.
It's raining. Shorts were definitely a bad idea. Did we bring any wet weather coats?
I got one wet coat.
Oh, she's got a wet weather coat. Hello! Teignmouth seafront. So this is a good idea. This what's called the mermaid's washing line is made from recycled PPE.
I'm so done with you. Yeah, I'm so
Found a nice little sheltered spot away from the wind. Just do a quick comparison while I'm underneath the pier and hopefully out of the wind. One of the differences between sort of South Devon beaches and Cornwall is the sand is red due to the red rocks, and it tends to turn the colour of the water a little bit red as well. So far so good on the plan for the day. To come up, have a beach day with our friends, and then we're going to head back. So as I said, this is Teignmouth Beach, but I won't just show it to you, I'll make it as picturesque as I can. Home sweet home. That's it from me today. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and I am gonna crack on with editing it now before I go to bed. See you in the next one. What this art stuff was about?
It's a recycled art trail.
Uh-oh!